Shukla nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Vice Chancellor jong School ba North Eastern Hills University Professor Shankar Shukla mentaka sengi ke Southrik unaiwing arajar arpulai ulawan syakmat ban Pynshai Paidbah halor ki Kynram ki balami hapo ke School ba Nehu hapo ke Jingpyrshah jong ke Joint Action Committee jong ke School ba ki bakintop ye ke Nehu ta ke Nehun sa bat ke Nehu su halor ki Jingdawa ban wengkam yo Rohit Prasad bat kiwei ki Jingdawa ha kaban kaliang jong ulaong banado ka sngi ka baningkong udah sedang ban shimti ye ka kam kumu Vice Chancellor jong ke School ba uliale ban trei ye ka kam badru ban penne pensa ya ka burom jong ke School ba Shukla ulaong ru bah usnem arjar arpulai larai ban ya syakmat ha ka bede ber ka jing pentrei kam ya ka NEP na ka benta ki khna ki ba puli ye ka postgraduate but happening jong kini la ya kren ru ha ka ban pentrei kam ye ka NEP ha ki undergraduate house nem ban 1 ula pentip ru bah ka bede bat kanila shim ye ka jing menjor na ki babon ki kin hon bat ula kamru ba udan ya ki boy bat ki sakhi ki babiang hadin ke jing pentrei kam ye ka national education policy hapo ke School ba katto kat ni na pedeng kiseng tremon ngobha kila sedang ban penlong de ke jing yakhi persya ye ke jing penrung bat ke jing pentrei kam ya ka NEP Shukla ula ongru ba ke jing pentrei kam ye ka NEP kalong kum ke jing erap ye ki khna ba menta ki ba hak ni ke jok bat palat khandai pho na ke shispa ki School ba hapo ka ri kila pentrei kam ye ka national education policy bat balai tang ke Nehu labu jingkeli Shukla ula ongru hadin ke jing pentrei kam ye ka national education policy ne kaliang ka seng jong ki nong hikai ya ka balatip kum ke Nehu ta ka badan hapo ke Joint Action Committee kila sedang ban persya halor ke jing thong kam ye Rohit Prasad da ka bakenno ba Vice Chancellor ula le don bor bat le palat put klem kinu ki jing pen bana Paidbah ha ka bede bat kene na kaliang Shukla ula pule ye ki kindon ki bala penkup bor u kumu klik nong penya jong ka School ba bat halor ka bor ka ikhtiar ka ba ula ban le
with the Vice Chancellor of Northeastern University, Professor Shukla. We are here to address the recent events which have been taking place in the university, to address the issues related to the agitation called by the Joint Action Committee, which is a combination of 3 associations of the university, namely the Nehuta, Nehunsa and Nehusu. So the Vice Chancellor will address to the media regarding all those events which are taking place in the university. Thank you.
All of you are well aware the situation which is already going on in the Nehu campus. And this is my second press conference. I think second press conference in this hall. With the help of the media, would like to say that after joining as a Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Meghalaya, I am continuously doing the work to retain and regain the status of the Nehu. In 2022-23, implemented the new education policy for the PG students. In between, we have also even discussed to implement the new education policy for the UG in the next or coming academic sessions. And we already taken all the kinds of the even approval from the different bodies. And I have also the even report. If media want to see, he can see. After the implementation of the new education policy, some organizations, I'm not going to read the name of any organization, even started the agitation against the implementation of the new education policy. In the last press conference, I clearly mentioned that the new education policy is in favor of our young generation, and more than 90% universities of the country implemented the new education policy. Why we not? Another thing is, even the organization also raised the question if the new education policies are not in favor of our young generation. And all of you know what is already happened in the past. So I don't even like to discuss in detail about the past. But after the implementation of the new education policy, even the organization commonly known as the Nehu, or you can say the joint organization of the JC, again even make a group and started shouting against the Vice Chancellor. Ki Vice Chancellor already appointed Mr. Rohit Prasad in very wrong manner without any advertisement and other things. I would like to show that all of you are, this is the act of the university. I am just going to read the lines of the act. I am not going to mention anything other than the act. In the act, page number 9, the Vice Chancellor. The first point, the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the visitor in such manner as may be prescribed by the statutes. Already done. Second point, the Vice Chancellor shall be the principal, executive and academic officer of the university and shall exercise general supervision and control over the affairs of the university and give effect to the decision of all the authorities of the university. The constitution of the different group, the technical group already made it two unique type of. One, app for the Nehu, called the Nehu app, and after 10 to 15 days, all of you will be in position to download the Nehu app. And second thing, this group developed a online system for the colleges of the Nehu. We have more than 83 affiliated colleges, and our students are facing the problem. Different kind of problems for their mark sheet, some even their marks and other examinations problem. With this portal, Nehu will be in position to solve their problem online. And both the things, app and portal, are output of this group. And who is the mentor? Mr. Rohit Prasad. This is a contribution. And third thing, don't like to mention today, but after a month, I can say that Nehu will be in position to provide a 5G facility to our students. This is one of the unique things among the central universities of the country. Or conduction of the examination, our students will be the sufferer. That's why I am not in favor of any organization who is opposing the academic council. As you already know, which is already 31st. Head on the 31st of the October. Again, I'm always ready to discuss anything. I don't have any kind of pitch to discuss to anyone. But if they are going to raise or fix any kind of a compulsion, if you are not going to do this, I'm not going to discuss with you. This should not be, conversation should be the continue between the administrator and any organizations. Just like anything would like to mention, you just see the language were mentioned and written by the president of the Teachers Association. This should be the language. Hi, the Nehu EC is not keen to meet the DC anymore on this issue. This is the main of the Nehu. This should not. Maybe there are some differences between the organization and this one. Come forward, sit together and discuss the matter on the basis of the Act, Statute and regulations. Yes, I am also agree. If I am even not in position to take the suggestion, definitely ready to take the help from the teachers and also the non-teaching staffs. But first come forward, discuss on the matter and take a or help to take a amicable decision in the favor of our young generation. This is my objective, and continuously every day all of you are witness, even you can say, expending more than 10 hours in my office to retain and regain the past glory of the name. That's why we clearly mention and read the powers of the Vice Chancellor with this act. Everything already clarified. And everything is already mentioned in this. This is not my voice. Already clearly read the powers of the Vice Chancellor, which is already mentioned in the act of the name. This is not my wording. This is a wording of the second, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary, that's why I raised this question in the Academic Council. This is not a decision of only the Academic Council. This is only the Vice Chancellor. This is a decision of the Executive Council. Taken the approval from the, already showed the paper, taken the approval from the Academic Council, taken the approval from the Executive Council. And after taking the approval, then Vice Chancellor taken decision. Directly, this is not a decision of the only the Vice Chancellor. Like all of you know, Vice Chancellor is the executive authority of the university. No, in the interest of the university. That's why it has been already mentioned here. Take a decision. And the work performed by the Mr. Prasad is already visible in front of the media and also in front of the student. Any officer can terminate anyone immediately. I am saying to you immediately terminate. Can any administration do this without any allegation? He is not also raising any kind of allegation, just saying immediately terminate the Rohit Prasad. But there may be some allegation, no? I already even showed the things what already did by the Rohit Prasad. Without any allegation, any paper, any proof, how any administrator or any person are in position to terminate anyone, either contractual or the regular. But there is a procedure, no? Yes, if you have any allegation, you can raise the allegation. We will constitute a committee. Accordingly, I am ready to take the decision to terminate the Nehu Prasad also. He is not going anywhere. As I feel, he indicated that if Vice Chancellor is not going to do, as directed by the Nehu, he can also behave like that with the Vice Chancellor. This is my feeling. This is my feeling. But I have taken a decision now to appoint the Rohit Prasad now. Under the rules, under the norms, under the I am ready to take the decision. But without any kind of allegations, how I can remove them? Even Nehu Prasad, he is also very afraid and already moved from the campus of the Nehu. If he is not ready to come back, definitely I can say our students will be very kind of hesitation to call him. I don't have any kind of ego also. I am ready to call anyone. I am ready to discuss anyone. In the first day after joining, clearly spoken that I am ready to discuss anything from the peon to the officers of the Nehu. And I am also even behaving like that and trying like that. And police also have all the kinds of things. So I hope within as early as possible, police will be in position to disclose the matter.
We had already circulated yesterday a
Yes.
press release regarding the meeting which was conducted on the 3rd of November, the anti-ragging committee of the university. it was clearly mentioned there that if the culprit is not found, a mass, as per the UGC regulations, a group punishment will be given to the entire batch or hostel residents. That is what it is going to be done. It is not fair, but it is the rules and regulations of the UGC. It is
They will follow the rules and regulations.
Will follow the rules and regulations of the university, of the government, of the law of the land, and will find out if something comes out from there. And then another meeting will be held after 2 weeks. After that, we'll see what will happen.
And what kind of punishment are we looking at?
We'll look into that again in the committee meeting next. According to the rules and regulations of the UGC.
So, the GEC has also adopted a resolution yesterday that the salaries paid to Mr. Rohit Prasad should be recovered from the salary of the Vice Chancellor. Yes, please.
Okay, union can say anything. I am not in position to object the union. Union can say anything.